How to invite collaborator on Instagram after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can invite collaborators on Instagram after posting, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to invite collaborators on Instagram after you've already posted something, you can just try to open the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is, let's say that you have a certain post which you've already posted over here. Now let's say I want to invite some collaborators. I just tap the three dots option, tap on the edit button here, and then here if I just scroll down, you can see tag people. So tap on tag people, and here you can simply tag them. Now unfortunately you will not be able to invite collaborators on Instagram after you go ahead and already post them. The only thing you can do is you can try to delete this post by tapping the three dots and tapping on delete. Of course that will make you lose your likes and comments, but there is no way you can invite a collaborator after posting. If you had not posted, you would have need to tap the plus icon here and then just selecting a certain photo over here, tapping on the next option, tapping on next, then just tapping on tag people, and then you will be able to invite collaborators from here. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and basically invite collaborators on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.